Alright, I filmed us getting up. Now I'm going to film us coming back down. To be completely honest, we only went about halfway up. You know, it's already 6 o'clock and we want to get back to the dogs. But, you know, it's a couple of hours drive to get home. So we're going to get moving. And I'm going to film walking down the rest of this. Just in case.
I walk behind you because I don't know the path.
Alright. I don't think there is a path of sorts. Just the biggest rocks you can find are the best ones to step on. But the funny thing is, even really big ones, like that, they move. Scary. Just scary. Yeah, so just look for the biggest rock and step on it. Right in the middle. And I think you'll notice some of them are rounded a bit. Probably from the number of people who've already come up here. Or from just erosion. And they seem to be the safest. Because people have already gone this way. But I'm sure you could really hurt yourself if you're not paying attention. It's the kind of environment that does not reward negligence. I think it's low tide.
I think so too,
yeah. Yeah, because I mean, there's a whole lot of wet land we can see that normally probably wouldn't be wet. Probably be underwater. Whew. Gee, some of these rocks are enormous. It's scary how they move. Yeah, I don't think the grass is all that safe because you can't see what's under it. Yeah, we just keep going. I can see where the path is where we came in. We're definitely going in the right direction. Looks like lots of people walked on this grass path. I might try it. Maybe it's a little safer. There's definitely a trail to follow. The grass is kind of tricky because there's stones all everywhere, but you can't see them. Make it a bit of a challenge. Oh, in fact, maybe walking on the rocks is easier because the grass folds and moves and bends. That's a lot of rock. You can still see coral, bits of coral that have become petrified over the years. It's quite a crumbly rock. Well, it's not too crumbly, but I mean, it does seem to be a little delicate. You okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, the grass is a bit trickier than I thought.
I think so too.
Also, we're on top of that weird cliff thing.
Oh fuck, well let's turn to the...
Yeah, go left. There's a kind of a cliff. I'll look over with my stick. Yeah, that's okay. Just keep going this way. plant life down there. Maybe some wildlife. Alright, I've got to get back to being safe. That means not looking at the camera and just looking at where I'm walking. Yep, you're on the right path.
Yep.
Yeah, you can see parts of it are worn from people walking. Usually if it's worn out, then that's a good sign you're on the right path. You might not be going the direction you want, but you're definitely following a direction. Well, we're not at the bottom yet, that's for sure. There's possibly Galway across there somewhere, not sure.
Is that how we came up?
Yes,
Okay.
look, definitely. Oh, it's rubbish. We're nearly at the bottom now. Just here it gets grassy, and basically we just walk on grass back till we get to the road, and that's where the cars park, just down here. It's been a pretty good trip. Next time we come to the Burren, I'm sure we go right to the very, very top. Just today we didn't do it because we've got other time constraints. Good thing is we live here in Ireland, so we just hire a car whenever we need to, and we can come back here sometime. My birthday's coming up, so might be a fun place to come and visit. It's not mossy, it's not wet, it's not craggly, nothing. The thing is, we came here in perfect weather. I think it's like 22 degrees today or something, which is basically a nice Irish summer day, and we've really enjoyed it a lot. First cliffs of Moher, and then now this, the Burren. Highly recommend paying attention to what you're doing while you're here, but we're almost at the bottom. I'll film the last part of the walk. Maybe next time we have a look at that one. There's more than one. I mean, there's a few hilltops, and one of them even has a grave on top, which might be worth having a look at. Don't rush. Take your time. We're nearly there. The grass bit's just after that lump.
Okay.
I'm gonna pee somewhere. Over that way a bit. Yep. Just a little. It's also a national park, so if you're gonna come, bring your own water bottle and stuff, and don't leave any rubbish. It'd be a real shame to see a place like this get covered in tourist garbage. I'll never look over here. I heard that.
Did you hear it?
Yep. Scary. Oh, it's just another way up. Alright, I guess we're about on our way down now. You can see plants, grass, thorn bushes, wives. It's all on this level. This should be the easiest part, but to be honest, I think the stones are kind of slippery on the way up.
I think the way up is easier because you can't fall. Does it record audio?
Yeah.
Right. Good shoes, no alcohol, bring water, focus, and then it's fine.
Yeah, filming is not a very good idea because you really have to pay attention to where you're stepping.
But it's cool. I like it.
Yeah, this part is
That's nice,
nothing. Yeah. Lots of wild flowers and things growing.
Very cool.
Well, nothing can bad really happen to the Burren. Yeah, it can't catch on fire or get washed away with water or anything. It's just going to be there for another few thousand years. well, millions of years actually. Yeah, the stones are worn smooth.
Yeah.
Down the bottom where everyone walks. You can even see how shiny they are.
Yeah, that's true.
It's actually a little bit more slippery here than anywhere else.
Yeah, then imagine it rains and people walk.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a place I wouldn't want to go while it's wet. Alright, we're just about out now. Make it sound like it was hard work, but it wasn't really. I'll show you how we got in. That was our trip to the Burren.